welcome to my channel. What's up, guys? We are here in Monaco. This is Monaco. Right here, left, right, north, west, east, south. Monaco at large. Amazing place, incredible place. I don't know what to say. It's beyond words. Behind me, this is magnificent. Everything to do with yachts, all luxury stuff. This is a hotel where you can see the colored blue, orange, whatever colors. And we are walking at the Japanese gardens. As you can see, beautiful green environment. And behind me, the mountains. These are the mountains. Oh my goodness. And the place is really hot as you can ever imagine. So something is going on at the sky. I don't know if you can be able to see this. No, not possible. Something is being advertised there. Yeah, this is how it's going. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at this. Look at this. It's amazing. This is not amazing or what? My God. It's crazy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think I'm dreaming. Imagine what's going on here. This is down here. Crazy. I have no words. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Beyond words. And all this here. Wow. Bye. Thanks for watching.